Hey, what's up guys? Sorry if the lighting looks a little weird. I just came from inside. So it's your boy Koof, C-O-U-T. Now what's up guys? Welcome back to Divinely Koof. It's your boy Koof, C-O-U-T-H, cause you can't spell it either. We back with another tour video. Are you guys ready? Come on, come inside. You're gonna this one? This one is it's nice. I don't think I wanna go back home. Come on, let's go inside. We're on a time limit. This is the outdoor patio. I really like the outside patio. So yeah, this is the outdoor space. I think it's just really good to have, like, you know, you can really just sit back if it's raining and just get away. Got a little window here. So this is me inside of the kitchen. I like this kitchen because of these beautiful countertops, gloss finish over the top. So I really like this. Like I said, you have a great cabinet space. They provide forks and knives. They have ninjas. You know, everything's super thought about. Alright y'all, so I haven't done this before, so let's see. This is the dining room table. It's on a let out, which I think is so cool. Y'all see that? Did y'all just freaking see that? So this is so cool. To be able to have this, this is something I want for my place, for my home. Just because in a blink of an eye, not in a blink of an eye, not in a blink of an eye. I don't know how to get it down, guys. To be able to have a dining room table and then to not be able to have a dining room table is so precious, because this takes up a lot of space. I mean, you wouldn't even be able to open up the front door. And I had a problem in my home or my RV where I could not actually use my dining room table to my advantage because the dining room table was screwed to the floor. And if you haven't seen that video, you know, I cut out the table, me and my dad helped me, and it really made the space so much better to not have that table, because the table was just so problematic. It was in the way. I couldn't get behind it to clean it. I couldn't do this to, you know, to move it. So cutting out that table just gave me so much more space, and it gave me the ability to use the space to its full advantage, because it was such a great space, but the table was in the way with the 4 chairs, and having this is just so great to be able to work. You know, you can do your work. You can eat breakfast here and look out this beautiful window. You can do so much with this. Flip it. I got it now. To be able to just tuck it right away is awesome. So I'm like literally obsessed with that. And then boom. Now you just even got more space for your guests just to sit down, really just catch a vibe and chill. I think that it's really important to have something where you can just kind of lay back. You can't get too comfortable on it, but you can lay back. The bathroom is super spacious because look, watch this, look. Bathroom is super spacious. You have a great headroom. Which is right off the kitchen. I think it's really interesting that they actually put this small mirror here because I thought that was very creative and cool. They have like a classic toilet, regular toilet. You know, some campers, some tiny homes actually have like compost toilet, or you know, they'll have whatever. So this actually has a regular toilet. The stand-up shower is so spacious. It's so much room in the stand-up shower. I love the classic antique shower head. That's really nice. And I also like the lighting in here too. I also like the fact that they have, you know, all these great complimentary things like so. This is the laundry room. I think this is so cool. Laundry room is right here off the kitchen. It's a huge space. You have space to iron and hang up your clothes. You have space to just really pack your clothes on top of here. I have my stuff over here, that's why I'm not showing y'all. You have space to pack your stuff up here and, you know, just get laundry done. And like I said, I really don't like the fact that I don't have a little laundry room or, you know, washer and dryer. So having this double combo piece, washer and dryer set in here is awesome. You're on vacation and you're actually renting this Airbnb, you have the option to wash and dry. Here go the stairs. I'm gonna close this real quick so y'all don't be too distracted. So I really like these stairs because they have a little secret compartment. Can y'all? Secret compartment. Check it out, check it out, check it out. This is what I was talking about. Let's get a little close up. Nice, right? Why waste the space when you can create storage? You know, where you can put your clothes, where you can put your shoes. So I just really like this, and I didn't notice it when I first came in, but. And check out this floor. I really like the floor. I really like this because throughout my camper, you know, there's some carpet in some places that I just wish it was not carpet because it's so hard to vacuum in a tiny space. Do you see how much room I have sitting up here? Like, the ceiling is kind of like this, so it's perfect. You know, you have the perfect amount of headroom. And I don't know, I just really think this is so cool. It's so like cool, it's so comfy. And like I said, it makes you feel like you're like in a tree house. It's really cool. I really like the paneled walls, the white paneled walls. It makes everything feel really open and fresh and clean, and it smells really good in here too. I don't know what type of incense they're using, but when you walk in, you immediately smell like cleanliness. So cleanliness is next to godliness. Shout out to the Divine Gang. Shout out to Koof. You know, I came up here, I watched TV, I played some music videos. I feel like if I was living here full time, because I don't want to leave, I would not want to leave home because it's just so cozy. It's so cool. It's so cool, and you have so much space. Like, so yeah, I really like this loft space. It's probably like the best part of the house. So check out the spot from up here. That's the other side of the loft with the extra storage. I think it's cool. Oh, don't look at the camera stand. I think it's cool because you can just kind of look up here and just look at everything, and it makes you feel like you're like in a little tree house or something. You look up and you have this awesome view of this, and I just really love it. I love the vaulted ceilings in here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give the video a big thumbs up so it can do well in the algorithm. And I just want to say thank you to the Divine Gang for just supporting me and subscribing and just keeping up with my journey. And I want everybody to remember who's watching this video, you are on divine timing. So just keep your head up and stay focused. Keep that plan going. So thanks guys for watching this video. I'm about to relax some more. Fade away.